Going through an airport is a stressful experience emotionally. And when you track that emotional journey, we do everything we can to reduce the stress, let people enjoy the experience a bit more. We are dealing with 250,000 passengers every single day. The 400 companies, the 90 airlines, the 1,500 flights. 75,000 people that support Heathrow all need orchestrating, organising, planning in a predictive manner, and that takes huge amounts of data. Every single day we're handling disruption as part of our normal business. And the challenge we have is giving the right data to the staff, predicting this disruption. So there's no point knowing about this in real time. We have to know about it several hours ahead of time. We took a look at what do we need from a strategic platform to handle the data and the requirements that are emerging over the airport. And so when we looked at all the different platforms available, Microsoft came out as a clear winner. We focused on PowerBI to provide the data to the frontline colleagues who are making the decisions out there on a day-to-day basis.
We have a range of employees, both internal and third-party external, who need that data, whether they're on a bus or in the terminals or in a baggage hall. They need to have access to that information so that they can quickly understand what needs to be done and when and where.
The real opportunity, and part of the reason we chose PowerBI, is the seamless integration and the seamless experience. The real benefit to the colleagues across the airport and part of the whole ecosystem is it's making a huge difference in their ability to make decisions ahead of an event. So they're not having to react to something that is happening now. And so it takes a lot of stress away from their job. You plan a problem to disappear before the passenger knows there is a problem. So their experience is seamless. And so they can come through Heathrow with no interruption. That's our job, and that's why we're here.